My name is Kolawole Awolope, and of course today Samsung revealed or launched their new lineup for 2021, their new flagship, the S21, S21 Plus and the S21 Ultra. They also unveiled the Buds Pro, the Galaxy Buds Pro, and of course we find out for the first time that the S21 Ultra is going to be supporting the S Pen and the S Pen Pro, which they just launched. Of course, if you look at these phones, you will see that they have fantastic quality, fantastic finish. They come in a variety of colors. This is Phantom Black, there's also Phantom Silver, there's Phantom Pink in the lineup, there's Phantom White, and of course it has 5G technology. Again, one beautiful thing about this phone is that the cameras, it gives you the director lens. You can shoot 4K video on any of the cameras or any of the lenses at any time, which means that you can see through all of the lenses at the same time, which is perfect, fantastic. Of course, it also has the 100 times zoom, like you can zoom up to 100 times. The zoom quality is just absolutely fantastic. Samsung says it has like 100 times zoom, so let's see if we can still pick what is written there and if it will still be clean. Oh wow, this is perfect. Original, see this? Can you see this? Let's see if we can go a little further. Wow. I mean, look at the lineup of the back cameras. Perfect. They offer you the director's view. You can, view through the lenses of all of the cameras at the same time. And honestly, that is so perfect. That is so perfect. You can do pro video. Oh, for example, let's see the director's view. This is director view. You can pick any of the cameras to view from, so this is perfect. You can choose any of the views to look from. Of course, this is the selfie view, and these are the 3 remaining at the back. You can choose any of them, and that's the director's view. Gives you fantastic option, fantastic range. What more? You can show the pro video. See, with the fantastic range of options that you can choose from if you are a cameraman or whatever. I think it's a fantastic phone, and I think that you should come and have, or come and look at it. And it's a phone that you should watch out for. It's a very fantastic phone. It's available on pre-order here at the Tech Experience Center, 13 Idowu Martins, and it's absolutely delightful. And here I have with me the Galaxy Buds Pro. It is hearing redefined. It is beautiful. It has this fantastic feature that means that you can have a conversation without necessarily putting off or turning down the volume of your device of the music or of whatever you're playing. It automatically detects when you're trying to have a conversation, reduces the volume, and then picks it up after, which is absolutely delightful and absolutely fantastic. Super sound quality, and it's perfect, perfect for whatever kind of sound you want to get. And this is the S21. Of course, need I mention that all of them have the latest 5G technology. Again, they are available here in Nigeria on pre-order at the Tech Experience Center, 13 Idowu Martins, and we thank them very much for allowing us just shoot this video. We'll do a proper review, not right now, maybe very soon, and we'll put it up for you to see. We're just giving you a close-up view of what these devices are. This is the S21 Plus, sleek, fantastic. Of course, this is Phantom Silver. Look at the front, the punch hole, smooth body to smooth display. Fantastic specifications too. Of course, we'll get into all of that in our subsequent videos. We're just giving you a view, showcasing it to you. It's again available here at 13 Idowu Martins, Victoria Island. And here we come to the S21. Of course, this is Samsung's new flagship series for 2021, S21. Fantastic phone. It feels perfect. Handling, it feels perfect. Of course, one of the biggest news is that Samsung is not they're not shipping the phones with the charging brick. They just come with a charging cable, which means that you can use your previous or your old cables on the phone, and that is perfect. It's fantastic, to be honest. I love it. I think you will too. The phones are here again at 13 Idowu Martins. Did I mention that the S21 Ultra supports the S Pen, so you can use the S Pen or the S Pen Pro, which will launch later in the year, you know, on the S21, which is perfect. You can sketch, you can write, you can draw, whatever you want to do. Samsung really came prepared this year, and these are things that you love. Of course, they have fantastic color options. You would love them. There's a color that fits every persona, and I think you can come to the 10 Tech Experience Center here at Udala Heights, 13 to Martins, to take a look by yourself. You can also pre-order. Thank you very much. My name is Kola Ole Olokwe. Till next time.